uninhabited Wending Isle, where our ancestors were shipped to and left for dead. We honor our ancestors with prayers, jumps, tears, by our sweat and through our determination. Through all these struggles, they still try to erase the entire Garifuna culture, our way of life. But this land is ours. This is our culture, and we must fight to maintain it.
We are alive. This land of Baliso is sacred. Let's show respect for this cultural legacy. Let's fight for our language. Let's fight for our land.
It is our story, and it is we who have the interesting facts of our indigenous people. Let's share the facts with others.
Portchester. It wasn't only Baliso. Our Garifuna people were prisoners of war in Portchester. Yes, Portchester Castle in Britain. They struggled in the rough, cold Chedra seas in Portchester. They truly were the last generation of Garifuna heroes, whilst the others were forced to take that diaspora journey to Central America, to include Belize, Guatemala, Northern Island of Honduras, from old Baliso.
See, they tried to control us, but through our resilience, we conquered.
We are an expressive people. Let's not be afraid to express the true meaning of our heritage.
We have the ability. Yes, it's time for action.
You have to remember. We have to remember where we came from, so we can better understand who we are. Let's not forget our roots.
Oh, Baliso.
Oh, Garifuna. X. And guess with X. We are no xeroscopy. We are the real deal. It's our story. One of the most moving cultural experiences our region has to offer. Oh, Baliso. Oh, Portchester too. Long live our Garifuna heritage. From this land of Baliso, our ancestors toiled, our ancestors perished. Let's reflect on this sacred ground.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, come on, give them a round of applause. That is the Vinci Dance Ensemble. And again, just permit us as we just take a short pause for, once again, for the weather to break here, for the little drain to break here for us. Again, of course, joining us next on the program will be the feature presentation by the Honorable Prime Minister. But again, as we just wait for a moment for the rain to pass, just give us a moment, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, I'm going back.